So just a brief introduction. This is a picture of the classroom. As I mentioned, we wanted to bridge the gap between bilingual language acquisition and theory, right? The theory, and then the bilingual classroom instruction. So one of the key words that we're going to be emphasizing today are individual differences. That's sort of, at least in bilingual acquisition theory and language acquisition theory in general, that's a real key word right now, real hot topic. Individual differences, not to focus on a comparison of means, collapsing everybody into one group, but looking within each group, whether it's a monolingual control group, bilingual, early bilinguals, late bilinguals, heritage language learners, late second language learners. We want to look within the group for individual differences. So that's one thing we're going to focus on. And we're going to find that the heritage language learner classroom is a beautiful resource for differences. Culturally, as Lydia will talk about, grammatically, as Jesse and I will talk about. So we want to really emphasize individual differences. So not that I can, in 1 minute, do a brief recap of the 25 years development of language acquisition theory, but I certainly will try to. So a real seminal article, or perhaps just a seminal article, from 1989 by Roman, begins to talk about this fundamental difference, this idea that a native speaker, or maybe a monolingual, is characterized by uniform success. They learn the language. Again, this is not the idea of individual differences. This is just, you are a native speaker, thus you will acquire the language perfectly. And then second language learners, which can be extended to bilinguals, or let's say bilinguals that have interrupted development. Maybe they learned some as a child, heritage language learners, when they come back to the classroom. Now they will be characterized, again, speaking in bilingual terms, be characterized by something a little